Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, I am going to explain how to apply for Kendriya Vidyalaya and Navodaya teaching job step by step. If you are preparing for PRT, TGT or PGT post, this video will help you complete the application process without any mistake. So let's begin. So I've already given the link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Once you click on it, it will take you to this site. On the top it is written Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti Recruitment Drive 2025. If you scroll down, here you are having three boxes. First box, it's written step to apply online. Second, register yourself. And third, already registered candidate. First, let us see what are the steps to apply online. So first step, you need to register yourself. Second, you need to fill online application form. Third, you need to pay the examination fees. And lastly, you need to download the confirmation page. So now let us do the first step. First step, you need to register yourself. So for that, you need to go in this second box, register yourself. For that, again scroll down. Here you can see new registration. So you need to click here. So now let's click here. Once you click on it, you will come to this page where first instruction and procedure for online application form is given here. So if you scroll down here, all the details are there which you need to read, as well as the application fees detail is also there, and it's divided in two parts. First part is for SC/ST, physically handicapped and ex-servicemen, and second one is for other than this candidate, means general and OBC candidate. These are the fees and this is for SC/ST. Next, application process. So first is one-time registration. You need to register yourself by completing the registration form. Once you complete your basic detail and create a password, you will get a system generated registration number. The registration number along with password will be used for future login. And make sure the guideline for uploading image like photograph and signature must be in JPG format. Size of photograph should be in range of 10 KB to 200 KB. Signature should be in 10 KB to 50 KB. Photo must be either colored or black and white, but should have clear contrast. So now let us register. For registration, you need to come down, click on this box and then click here to proceed. So now let's click here. So now this is a registration form where first you need to fill your personal detail like candidate name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, identity type and identification number. So your identity type, you can select anyone: PAN card, passport, voter ID, ration card, bank passport, and whatever number is written there like passport. So passport number you need to write in identification number. Next, you need to confirm your personal detail. Again, you need to write that same thing: candidate name, father, mother, date of birth and gender. Then you need to enter your permanent address, complete address you need to enter here. Then electronic communication address. Electronic communication address means your email ID. Again, confirm it. Mobile number, confirm it. And landline number is optional. Next, you need to enter your permanent address. If your permanent address is same as present address, just check on this box. Then lastly, you need to choose your password. You need to choose your password, confirm your password, choose the security question, security answer, then enter the captcha here and click on submit button. Once you complete all these things, on your mail ID you will receive a registration number. Once you click on the submit button, you are going to get this message: please review the following information carefully. If you like to change any information entered, you may do so by pressing edit registration form or press submit and send OTP. So now let's submit it. So now you need to check all these boxes and then you need to click on I agree and submit send OTP to verify mobile number. Now enter your OTP and click on submit registration form. Once you do that, you are going to receive your name and registration number. This registration number you need to keep it safe for future login, because you need to log in using your registration number and password which you have done. Now as you can see here, registration form it's showing completed, mobile verification number completed, candidate profile is pending. So now our next step is to complete the profile page. So here click on complete profile page. Next click on personal details. So now here you need to fill your personal detail here. Some details are already filled. Now all other detail you need to fill here, all these things, then enter the captcha and click on save and next button. So now let's fill it. After you verify your profile, next step is verify your email ID. So just enter the captcha and click on send OTP. Enter your OTP here and your email will be verified. So your email is verified successfully. Now click on OK. So now it's showing that your profile for KVS and Navodaya Recruitment is complete. Now you need to click on apply now. So your registration process is complete. Now we need to click on apply and fill the application form. So now let's click to apply now. Next here it is showing the current status. Like here, first one is Kendriya Vidyalaya and Navodaya Drive 2025 for Assistant Commissioner, for non-teaching staff, for PGT, for TGT and for PRT. So whatever post you want to apply, choose that and click on apply. Now if you are applying for PGT, you need to click here. If you are applying for TGT, click here. And if you are applying for PRT, you need to click here. If you are applying for non-teaching post, you just need to click here. So now let's click on apply button. Now you are getting one information like please read the following instruction carefully before proceeding. Like ensure all your details are correct. Once submitted, you cannot change your profile and submission is final and will be recorded. Do you want to apply finally? So click on yes button. So now here two things is showing, your application form and fees payment. So first you need to complete your application form, then you need to pay your fees. With this your application stage is also over. So now let's click on complete application form. Now in application form there are three parts. First, apply for detail, second qualification detail, and third is final submit. So now let's click on apply for detail. So now here you need to select the post for which you are applying, the medium for tier 1, for exam which medium you are choosing, whether English, Hindi, then exam apply for language, your proficiency in teaching, obviously choose yes. Do you have experience as TGT? Do you have knowledge of computer application? Do you have working in school for KVS or residential school for NVS? So if whatever is there, you just fill the detail, then click on save and next button. Next, are you sure you want to submit this section? Click on yes button. Now in the next page you need to fill your qualification detail. Like since I am applying for PGT, so here I need to fill my post graduation detail, B.Ed detail, then enter the captcha and lastly click on save and next button. Once you fill your qualification detail, next is please review the following information before final submit. So now let's click on close here, and here all your details are given like personal detail, the post for which you have applied, or post graduation qualification detail, B.Ed qualification, your permanent address and your present address, then your photograph and all. Now just check on these two boxes, click on I agree and click on final submission of application if everything is correct. So now let's click here. Now only one part is left where you need to pay your fees. If you want to edit your application, you can click here and you can edit your application. And if you want to apply for some other post, you can click here to apply for the other post. So now let's click on pay examination fees. Now here you need to select the online payment and click on proceed for payment. Now here payment time is given to you, means you need to complete your payment within 10 minutes of duration. So you need to select the payment provider here, bill desk, and then click on proceed to payment. Now here you have multiple ways for payment. You can pay using credit or debit card, net banking or UPI, or even QR scanner is also there. Once you click on payment and your payment is done, you can download the confirmation page. So this was the complete step-to-step guide on how to apply for KVS and Navodaya teaching job. If you found this video helpful, please hype, like, share and subscribe to MJ Manjadi for more update on teaching job and exam preparation. Thank you for watching.